Hi everyone. So we are already started with C programming. Now we will look into a sample program in which we'll be able to identify the basic structure of a C program with its actual content. Okay, so ഒരു ഫയൽ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. I prefer you to make use of the keyboard instead of using mouse because C and C++ are basically DOS-based programs in which mouse is not at all used. Mouse and any new GUI based applications devices are not used. Okay, so for activating a new file you have to press Alt F, then you have to make use of the hotkey, otherwise just you make use of up arrow down arrow to select your preference. Okay, so now we want this file new. Now the new file is open and you can see the file name is noname00.cpp, which is given automatically by the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay, so we will start with the basic section. That is, in all the programs it's better to give a general remark on top of the program, just to identify for what purpose the program is developed, or the author of the program, or for what requirement, or for the client, or on which date it was written. Okay, so it's better you write something general about the program, and for this kind of information we'll be making use of remark symbols. As you know, it's a set of symbols, not a statement, and the symbols are, it's a pair starting with slash star and ending with star slash. So whatever written in between will be considered as a remark, and remark in C is a block remark. You can include any number of lines into the remark portion. So that means slash star and star slash need not come in the same line itself. Okay, so I'm simply writing a sample program. Okay, and below that what we have to write is we have to include the header file. For that the command used is #include, then the header files. Two basic requirements are stdio.h and the second one is conio.h. Both commands has to be given at the top of the program. Okay, so header file part or the preprocessor part is completed. The rest of the statements are not at all required here, as it is a sample program. Now the next statement we need to give is the function name, and the compulsory function name is main, which doesn't have any parameter in between the brackets. Now we have to open the curly parenthesis to give the actual statement for the program. So here we doesn't need any variable. I just want to print a simple message. Okay, just to convince you to identify how a program works. Okay, so I am making use of the statement printf, which is commonly used for giving any output. So printf. Then as per the syntax of the printf, you can use it in a different mode, but here I am giving only a simple message, that is hello. And in C and C++, all the statements terminate with semicolon. Here also I am giving a printf statement terminating with semicolon. And a common statement, another common statement, get ch is given here to wait until what we read, which is written on the screen. Okay, so get ch is the next statement. I am stopping the program. Okay, so as a simple program, the entire requirement is completed. Then I am giving Control F9 to run the program. You can see what the output is. Okay, we got the output hello on the side of the program. What you see on top is the normal output, okay, generated by the software itself, only at the beginning. It happens only at the beginning. Okay, so the output hello comes on the screen. Now I am going back to the editor by pressing any key. Okay, suppose I want it to run it. I want to run the program again. Again, I will be pressing Ctrl F9, and now you can see there are two hello on the screen. It's because we are having cleared whatever exists on the screen. Okay, so it's better you give CLR in all the programs. Okay, so I'm repeating once again, CLRS is not a compulsory statement. It is better to give CLR to reduce the confusion of the older outputs and the new outputs which coexist on the screen. Okay, so CLRS is the is going to be the usual opening statement in the main. Likewise, getch is going to be the last terminal statement in all the programs. Okay, so these two are not compulsory, but these are preferred, always preferred to exist in a program for convenience. Okay, so I'm going to run the program again. We will see the effect of CLRs here right now. Okay, now we can see hello alone on the screen. It's because CLRs here removes whatever on the screen prior to the execution of this program, and it prints the only statement printf which prints hello on the screen. And what we see on the screen is because of the next statement getch, which waits the user to give any character from input from the input device keyboard, and whenever you press any key from the keyboard, that purpose of the getch will be met and the screen will be going back to the editor. Okay, so this is how a program works in C IDE or C++ IDE. Okay,